If you want your orthodontic practice to truly run on autopilot, there is one skill you cannot avoid: delegation. Not basic delegation, but delegation done the right way, step by step, until it actually frees you instead of creating more stress. My name is Dr. Baxmann, and in this video, I want to walk you through the advanced levels of delegation that turn chaos, micromanagement, and overload into clarity, trust, and smooth workflows. Delegation is essential, whether you're the boss or part of the team. And yet, so many people still say, "I'll just do it myself. It's faster and better that way." In reality, that mindset is often a form of procrastination. You're avoiding the effort of teaching, explaining, and letting go. But real delegation doesn't depend on who you delegate to. It depends on how you delegate. Delegation only works when it follows clear levels. If you skip those levels, you end up with unfinished tasks, mistakes, constant follow-ups, or full-blown micromanagement. And that completely blocks the idea of a practice that runs smoothly in the background. Level 1 is simple but crucial: carrying out tasks according to clear instructions. The person delegating must provide structure, steps, and expectations. The person receiving the task must confirm they understood everything and ask questions if needed. Feedback and a clear deadline are essential here. Level 2 means preparing things independently. Instead of detailed step-by-step instructions, the topic is outlined. The employee researches, prepares a plan, and presents it for approval. Only then is the task executed. This already creates ownership, but it requires clarity and enough freedom to think. Level 3 goes one step further. Now the employee develops their own solution proposals. They don't just prepare information, they suggest how to solve the problem now and in the future, often including ideas for standardization. Level 4 is where real trust starts to grow. The employee makes a decision independently and then actively seeks feedback. The focus shifts to priorities, decision criteria, and reasoning. At this stage, you're no longer just delegating tasks, you're delegating thinking. Level 5 is the point where things truly run on autopilot. Decisions are made without any feedback. You can trust that the person will decide exactly as you would, or sometimes even better. Still, they are always allowed to step back to level 4 if a situation is new or unclear. And then there is level 6, the gold standard. At this level, your top people don't just delegate tasks, they delegate delegation itself. They train others, choose the right person for the right task, and build autonomy across the team. At this point, you only need to give a keyword, and everything else happens automatically. It's important to understand that not every employee wants maximum responsibility, and that's okay. Talent management and empathy matter. Focus on developing a few key people who can reach the higher levels and support others along the way. Delegation works best when both sides understand the levels, know where they stand, and see a clear path forward. That's how you escape micromanagement, reduce overload, and finally create a practice that runs like clockwork. If this helped you, share it with your team, give it a like or 5-star review, and subscribe for more insights on lean orthodontics and practice management. I'll see you in the next video.